Today, I'm going to provide a demo of the virtual classroom in Aporto. I've already logged in as a faculty user, and I've launched the Windows desktop. When I go into the desktop in the top menu, I see an option that allows me to start the virtual classroom. When the classroom loads, I can see that 3 of my students, Amber, Dallin, and Abe, have already logged in. As each new student logs in, their desktop will appear in the classroom, and when they log out, the desktop will be removed. The virtual classroom is intended to be like a physical classroom, in that I can monitor what each of my students is doing in real time, see how they're progressing, and assist if they have any questions. One of the features within the classroom is Messenger. It's sorted by group so that I can see all of the students in my Math 101 class. On the student side, they see a notification that their desktop is being viewed, and they also have the option to raise their hand or email the instructor if they have any questions. When a student raises their hand, their desktop will be highlighted in red, and I can see that their hand is raised, so I know right away that Dallin has a question. I can click to view his desktop larger. I also see that Messenger has been filtered so that I can communicate one-on-one easily with Dallin. I could even give him a quick call if I wanted to speak with him. An additional option if Dallin needs assistance with an application or a file would be to request remote control. When I do this, Dallin sees a request show up that faculty is asking for permission to remotely control his desktop, and he can accept or decline. In this case, he's going to accept, and then I can see that I now have access to his desktop, so I'm going to cursor in. Maybe Dallin is just trying to find our course syllabus, so I'm going to point him to our course shared folder. We'll go into the Math 101 directory, and I can point out this is where our syllabus is. When I'm done, I simply close out of this view and go back to the virtual classroom. Hopefully, this gives you a powerful tool to virtually keep up with what your students are doing and reach out to assist when they have questions.